How to change system language in Windows. Go to the Windows search bar and type language. Click on Language Settings. Navigate to the Windows Display Language section and choose the language you wish to use. In order to fully apply the new language, you need to sign out. Click on Yes, Sign Out Now to perform it now. Or click on No, Sign Out Later to do that later. If the language you want to use is missing, you can add it by clicking on Add a Language in the Preferred Languages section. Type the name of the language. Select it and click on Next. Then, click on Install to add it. After the installation, it will be available in the Windows Display Language section. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if this guide helped you. Subscribe for more similar videos.